Looking for the best hardware to print your Shopify or WooCommerce orders automatically? Hi everyone, in this video, I'd like to show you the different hardware setups you can use with the PrinterCo automatic order printing system. Our app automatically prints Shopify, WooCommerce, Gloria Food, and custom website orders, whether you're using an Android tablet, a Windows computer, or an all-in-one POS terminal. PrinterCo makes it easy to receive and print your online orders automatically. Let's take a look at each setup. Here's an Android tablet connected to a thermal printer. Orders come in directly and print automatically with no taps, no manual steps. It works with the thermal printer you probably already have. Prefer using a Windows PC or laptop? Our Windows app does the same job. Just install it and your printer starts working right away. Great for back-office setups or traditional POS stations. And if you're using an all-in-one Android terminal, the process is even simpler. Orders are received and printed straight from the device. No cables, no extra printers. It just works right out of the box. Whether your setup is simple or complex, Android, Windows, or all-in-one, our app adapts to it. That's what makes it such a powerful and scalable solution for both end users and resellers. If you'd like to learn more about PrinterCo or see a complete product demonstration, check the links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.